Okay, now we're going to take a look at Algebra Bootcamp Day 2, number 3. The first thing we want to do is graph the line. In order to do that, all you're going to do is go to the first point, which is 0, 5. So I go over 0 and up 5 to that point there. And then I need to do another point, which is at the point 9, 7. So 9, 7 is 9 to the right and up 7. And put a point there, and that draws my line for me. Now, to find the slope of this line, I'm going to make a slope triangle. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw over from one point to the other and count my rise over run. Well, my rise is 2 because it goes up 2, and my run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means my slope is going to be 2 over 9 because it's rise over run. It's positive because it's going up as you're moving from left to right. So as I'm going from left to right in this direction, the line is actually going up. So that's why it's a positive slope. What's the y-intercept? Well, the y-intercept is just where does it touch the y-axis. Well, if I erase this stuff here, actually I'm going to put that back in, 2 over 9. And I'm just going to erase this here. And that's going to be, the y-intercept is right here. So that's at the point 0, 5. So the y-intercept is at 0, 5. Once you know the slope and the y-intercept, you can write the equation. So y equals m, which is my slope of 2/9, x, and then plus b, which is my y-intercept, which is going to be 5. So it's y equals 2/9 x plus 5.